Welcome to Gayatri's Cook Spot. I am Gayatri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make a chocolate filled pull apart bread. This is very easy to make and it tastes so delicious. First let us make the bread dough. Mix together milk and flour and heat it while whisking it continuously. Cook it until it forms a thick custard. The recipe and measurement of ingredients are given in the description box below. Transfer the custard to a bowl. And cover it with a cling film. Make sure that the cling film touches the custard. This helps in preventing the skin formation. Allow this to cool completely. In a bowl, mix together flour, the cooled custard, instant yeast, sugar, salt and milk powder. Mix it well. Add water and mix to form a slightly sticky dough. Now add butter and knead it to incorporate. Transfer the dough to a counter or your work table and knead the dough for 10 minutes until the dough passes the window pane test. You can see the video I have done on window pane test. It's in my channel. Once the dough is kneaded, place it inside a well-oiled bowl. And rotate to coat the whole dough with oil. Cover this with cling wrap and set it aside for 1 hour or until double. Transfer it back to the work table. Press it to remove gas. Sprinkle flour and roll it out into a thin rectangle. Apply butter and sprinkle grated chocolate. Sprinkle sugar evenly on top of the rectangle. Starting from the longest side of the rectangle, roll it out into a log. Keep the seam at the bottom. Transfer it to a greased baking tray. And with the help of a scissors, cut the log to 3/4, keeping the piece intact with the log. Slide the pieces to left and to the right so that it forms pattern like leaves. Remove the final piece and flip it and place it back on the bread. Mix together a little bit of honey and milk and brush the top of the bread with that mixture. Preheat oven to 200 degrees centigrade and bake this bread for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is golden. The bread crust will be hard when it comes out of oven, but after it cools down it will become soft. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.